Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am engineer Muhammad Magdi, and today we will take about welding procedure specification according to ASME section IX. Today also we will take about what is this code scope. Could you use this code individually to prepare WPS? What is WPS? Who prepares WPS? What is written in the WPS? QG100 scope. This section contains requirements for qualification of welders and welding operators. Welding operators use a machine in welding, submerged arc welding machine, something like that. Welders use his hand in welding, like shield metal arc welding. Also, this code section about material joining process they use during welding and brazing and diffusion operation. This code have a requirement for making WPS, for example, in shielding metal arc welding. So this WPS were used for the construction of component under the rules of construction code, ASME boiler and pressure vessel codes. So when you make a WPS, we use couple of codes. First code is the construction code, like ASME A Division 1. Second code is ASME IX. Okay, you have to use this couple of codes to prepare WPS. Single ASME IX couldn't be used. Whenever the referencing code, standard or specification imposes qualification requirements different than those given in this section. When there is a conflict between reference code, construction code, and the ASME IX. Okay, the requirement of the reference code, standard or specification shall take precedence over the requirement of this section. So the reference code or the construction code is superintended.